Hello students, welcome to Narana online classes. Students, in this class, I would like to discuss with you the assignment key. Let us see each and every question. First question students, what is malnutrition? How can you define a malnutrition? As we have learnt in the previous sessions, the malnutrition is a deficiency disease. How it occurs, let us see. Lack of one of the major nutrient. Lack of one or two nutrients, two major nutrients. We know very well about the major nutrients. What are major nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, generally considered as a major nutrients. Lack of one or two major nutrients in our diet, it causes a disease called malnutrition. Excessive intake of nutrients is also considered as a malnutrition, isn't it? So, what is malnutrition? Lack of one or two major nutrients in our diet, it causes a disease called as, or a deficiency disorder called as the malnutrition, isn't it? Moving on to next question students. Second one, what are the causes of malnutrition? What are the major reason for malnutrition? There are many reasons are there. There are many causes are there for malnutrition. So what are the major reason for malnutrition? So the major reasons are, first major reason is due to illiteracy, due to illiterate. So what do you mean by illiterate? Illiterate peoples, those who do not have a proper education, illiterates or illiteracy, illiterate. So due to lack of proper education, due to lack of literacy, that is also one of the major reasons for malnutrition. And due to negligency or ignorancy, due to ignorancy, malnutrition also causes. Due to illiterate, due to ignorancy, and also because of one more reason is there, due to lack of awareness, due to lack of awareness, and because of poor health, or because of poor, due to economical, due to poor economical background, because due to lack of proper education, that is one of the major reason, and also ignorancy, due to lack of awareness, and also because of poor families are there. Some of the peoples, even they do not have one time meal for a day. So such kind of peoples are called as a poor peoples. So because of poor economical background, that is also one of the major reason for the malnutrition. Okay. So due to illiteracy, ignorancy, awareness, because of poor economical background, major reason for the malnutrition. Moving on to next question. Malnutrition is classified into dash types. So malnutritions are classified into three different types. First one, protein malnutrition. Second one, calorie malnutrition. And the third one, protein calorie malnutrition. Third one is protein calorie malnutrition. So these are the three different types of malnutritions which are seen. Let us see the next question. What is obesity? How can you define obesity? How can you define obesity and obesity? Obesity is nothing but due to excess intake of food. Due to excess intake of food, what will happen? The excessive food converted into generally the fat. Excess food is converted into fat. How the excess food converted into fat? When excess food digested, it produces energy. That excess energy will be converted into fat, with the help of some biochemical reactions. So because of excessive intake of food, fat produced in our body, due to presence of fat, generally the children's or students or younger peoples or adult peoples, they looks bigger in size. So this kind of condition or situation is called as a obesity. Obesity is a nothing but because of due to excess intake of food, peoples become bigger in size. That condition is called obesity. Moving on to next question. Deficiency of proteins in the food causes deficiency of proteins. So in the food, if proteins are absent, what kind of diseases, deficiency diseases we are getting? Obesity, marasmus, kwashiorkor, both 1 and 2. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is kwashiorkor. Due to lack of proteins in our diet causes a deficiency disorder called as kwashiorkor. Moving on to next question. Deficiency of proteins and calories in the food causes a disease called, if suppose proteins at the same time calories both are absent, proteins and calories both are absent in our diet, what it causes? It causes a disease called as a marasmus. What it causes? Marasmus. Try to think about the symptoms of marasmus, deficiency characters of marasmus disease. Try to recollect deficiency diseases, symptoms of marasmus. If a child got a marasmus disease or deficiency disease, how the child looks like? Just recollect. Next, one more question I want to say. What are the diseases caused due to proteins and calories deficiencies? What are the symptoms of this disease? What are the disease caused due to proteins and calories deficiencies? What are the symptoms of this disease? As I said in the previous question, if you look at the previous question, proteins and calories, if both are absent in the diet, it causes a disease called as kwashiorkor. What it is called? Kwashiorkor. What are the symptoms of this kwashiorkor disease? First symptom is fluffy face appears. Fluffy face. How the fluffy face looks like? Moon-shaped face is generally called as a fluffy face. Poor muscle development is seen in the kwashiorkor disease patient, and also less number of activities, which means body is not very active in the persons those who are suffering with the kwashiorkor disease, and also dry skin or scaly skin appears in the kwashiorkor patient, isn't it? So what are the disease caused due to proteins and calorie deficiencies? It is kwashiorkor, and the some of the characters I said to you. Moving on to next question, 8th one. So total together only 7 questions are there. Remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, be safe, have a nice day.